Are you unknowingly sabotaging your bike? Let's look at the worst maintenance mistakes that could be wrecking your ride. Hi everyone! Today we're covering a topic that could save you time, money and a whole lot of frustration. Let's talk about the worst maintenance mistakes you can make. Avoiding these common mistakes will keep your bike running smoothly and safely. The first and biggest mistake people make is ignoring oil changes, though it's one of the simplest and yet most crucial tasks. Skipping oil changes can lead to engine wear and even catastrophic failure. Oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reduces friction and helps keep the engine cool. Dark, dirty oil and a noisy engine are signs you're long overdue for a change. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval and for what oil to use. A general interval is every 5 to 10,000 kilometers. The second mistake a lot of riders make is neglecting the chain, a vital component for your bike's performance which tends to be forgotten. A neglected chain can wear out your sprockets or even worse, it can snap, which can have some nasty consequences. You should clean the chain periodically to remove dirt and grime and keep it well lubricated to prevent rust and reduce wear. And every once in a while you should check the tension. Too tight or too loose can cause serious problems. The specifications can be found in your owner's manual. The next mistake people make is thinking that your tires can last just a little longer. Your tires are your bike's only contact with the road, so tire maintenance is critical. Worn out tires or incorrect pressure can lead to poor handling and increased risk of accidents. Check your tire pressure at least once a week. Underinflated tires can overheat and overinflated tires can cause a loss of traction. Inspect the tread depth frequently and please, just replace your tires if the tread is worn down to the wear indicators. And don't forget to look for cracks, punctures or any other damages. By the way, have you checked out our Only Bikers newsletter? It's packed with premium content like route reviews, special discount codes and much more. Click the link below and subscribe now. Mistake 4. Do not forget to check your brake system. Brakes are obviously crucial for your safety, so neglecting them is a big mistake. Worn out brake pads can lead to longer stopping distances and that can cause potential accidents. Check your brake pads often and replace them if they are thin or worn out, and inspect the brake lines for any signs of leaks or if they are worn down. If so, they need to be replaced. You should also check the brake fluid, which needs to be changed periodically as it absorbs moisture and can degrade over time. Our last mistake revolves around battery maintenance, which isn't that complicated. Once in a while, you should check your battery. A big mistake a lot of riders make is to not tend to their battery when their bikes have been standing for a while. During winter, for example, a bad battery can leave you stranded, so keeping it in good condition is essential. Keep the battery terminals clean and free from corrosion. If you don't ride often or have your bike stored during winter, use a battery charger to keep it charged. If you still have a lead acid battery, check the fluid levels every once in a while and top up with distilled water if necessary. Maintenance might not be the most exciting part of riding, but it's definitely one of the most important. A well-maintained bike is a safe and reliable bike. Neglecting motorcycle maintenance is like skipping the dentist appointments. Everything seems fine until something falls out mid-ride. So to wrap it up, avoid these common maintenance mistakes to keep your bike running smoothly and safely. What's the worst maintenance mistake you've made? Share your stories in the comments, smash that like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more videos like this.